Hello everyone, this is here. We are doing the Bhangra practice here with our famous Rajiv. Rajiv, do you want to say very quickly?
We just did a warm-up.
Yeah.
We're going to have a stretch off, 45 minutes of intense Bhangra. Hope to burn about 800 calories by the end of it. So
Tell people in Manchester to come down there. What do you want to tell them?
Down in Manchester Tuesday, like tonight, Stretford, 6:45 to 7:30. Going to charge £4, so it's a bargain. Great, having a good workout and having a good time.
Excellent.
As you can see.
Thank you very much. Yes, so this is quite intense Bhangra stuff here. You can see there's lots of people out here. They're all enjoying their Bhangra here. So here you go. I shall also time to now go to exercise myself as well now. So see you later, everyone. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Bhangra. So